Dear student, today I am giving you autocorrelation. Autocorrelation of general linear model. Autocorrelation arises when our assumption acceptation of ui uj equal to 0 if I not equal to j violated means ui uj not equal to 0 if I not equal to j. Problem of autocorrelation arises. Today I am giving you when autocorrelation arises, what are their causes and what are their effect on a model. Thank you. Autocorrelation. Today I am going to take problem of autocorrelation when our assumption EUI where assumption UI equal to 0 for I not equal to j. But if it EUI not equal to 0 for different ij, problem of autocorrelation arises. Autocorrelation, the general linear model continuing as a system of n equations can be expressed as y is equal to x beta plus u in matrix form, where y is n by 1 matrix, x is n by k matrix, estimated beta is k by 1 matrix, and u is n by 1 matrix. The two assumptions underlying this system of equations are: first, each of the error term ui have zero mean and common variance. EUI is equal to 0 in first assumption, EUJ equal to common variance, where IN is identity matrix of order n. According to second assumption, the simple values of error term independently distributed, that is, they are pairwise uncorrelated, unrelated, uncorrelated. EUI uj is equal to 0 for I not equal to 0, I not equal to j. This property is included in the property first. It is ui uj not equal to 0 for I not equal to j. Problem of autocorrelation arise. If assumption 1 is violated, means EUI uj, this property is known as heteroscedasticity, common variance. The assumption second is violated, the property is known as autocorrelation. When the error term are pairwise correlated, it is autocorrelation, that is ui uj not equal to 0 for I not equal to j. Causes of coming autocorrelation. First is omitted variable. First, in economics, our variables are influenced by so many other variables that is difficult to measure the influence of all the variables on that variable. Hence an error term is introduced. Error term is introduced in model to represent the combined influence of all such omitted variable, but omitted variable of one period, and hence the error term also become correlated. Second point, misspecification. In some misspecification. In some model, we assume linear relationship between dependent variable y and independent variable x. That is, model contains a single power x transpose equal to x, but it may continuous happen that the relationship between y and x is quadratic, that is, model contains term with higher power of x also. In such cases, the error term will include such higher power, and since these power will be correlated, error term will also be pairwise correlated. This is called the problem of misspecification. The main two causes of coming autocorrelation. Third point cause, error in measurement. It may happen that an investigator is not able to measure the variable properly due to human or non-human errors. There are known as error in measurement, and they are also included in the error term. Since these errors are correlated, the error terms also becomes correlated. The main three causes: omitted variables, misspecification, error in measurement. Now coming on effect of autocorrelation. Let us consider a two variable linear model y is equal to alpha plus beta xu for the ith sample. For the ith sample, capital Y is equal to alpha plus beta xi plus ui. Let us assume error term ui are correlated, and correlation is represented by first order autoregressive scheme. Suppose ui error term is equal to rho ui minus phi plus epsilon 0, where rho is always autocorrelation, epsilon I error term in autocorrelation. Epsilon I is error term in autocorrelation, when rho is autocorrelation of first order. Now we put the following assumption on the new error term epsilon I. Same assumption, E epsilon I is equal to 0, that is epsilon I has 0 mean. Acceptation of EI EJ equal to 0 if I not equal to J, that is terms are pairwise uncorrelated. Third assumption, epsilon I epsilon j equal to variance of epsilon if I equal to j, that is term have common variance. First, 0 means of the error terms u. In the two variables linear model, we have assumed that acceptations EUI is equal to 0, that is disturbance term had 0 means. We shall see whether this assumption is violated again when the disturbance terms become correlated according to the above relationship. Since UI is equal to rho UI minus 1 plus epsilon I, where rho is the autocorrelation of first order, then lagged ui minus 1 equal to rho ui minus 2 plus epsilon I minus 1, which is lagged of epsilon I, and it is lagged of ui2. Similarly, substituting these value of ui from B in A, ui is equal to rho ui minus 2 plus epsilon I minus 1 plus epsilon I. Ui multiplying rho square ui minus 2 and rho epsilon I minus 1 plus epsilon I. Again and again ui minus 2, putting the value rho ui minus 3 plus epsilon I minus 2, putting in these values in C, substituting ui is equal to rho square, putting the value of u minus 2, rho u minus 3 plus epsilon I minus 2 plus rho epsilon I minus 1 plus epsilon I. Ui multiplying rho 3 ui minus 3 plus rho square epsilon I minus 2 plus rho epsilon I minus 1 plus epsilon I, and so on. Epsilon u minus 3 rho u minus I minus 4 plus epsilon I minus 3, and so on. Ui is become, on putting rho की power 4 ui minus 4 plus rho की power 3 epsilon I minus 3 plus rho square epsilon I minus 2 plus rho epsilon I minus 1 plus epsilon I. Automatically we shall get reverse expression ui is equal to epsilon I plus rho epsilon I minus 1 plus rho epsilon I minus 2 plus rho epsilon I minus 3, and so on. ui is on summation these whole expression will get ui is equal to sigma infinity starting from r is starting from 0, first term, second term, and so on, rho power r epsilon I minus r, taking the acceptation of both sides. Therefore EUI is equal to sigma starting from r0 up to infinity rho r acceptation of E I minus r, but we assume that acceptation of EI is equal to 0 for all value of I, hence EUI is equal to 0. Thus the property of 0 means also holds. Second, common variance of disturbance term. Second effect is common variance of disturbance term. We had assumed that in the two variable linear model that disturbance term had common variance EUI uj is equal to variance for I equal to j. Let us see whether this property also hold or not. For this we shall compute variance of disturbance term when they are autocorrelated. We know that ui is equal to epsilon I plus epsilon ui is equal to epsilon I plus rho epsilon I minus 1 plus rho square epsilon I minus 2 plus rho cube epsilon I minus 3, and so on. On squaring both sides will get ui whole square is equal to epsilon I plus rho epsilon I minus 1 plus rho epsilon I minus 2, and so on, epsilon 3 rho की power 3 epsilon I minus 3. Squaring them will get square of first square of every term epsilon I whole square, rho square, and epsilon square this one, and square of rho power 4 epsilon square I minus 2, and so on, and combination of two epsilon rho epsilon minus 1 rho epsilon minus 1, similarly 2 rho square epsilon I minus 2, combination of similar plus rho की power 3 epsilon I minus 2, combination of each term of 2 into 2 into 2, and so on. Taking acceptation of both sides, EUI whole square is equal to acceptation of epsilon square I here plus taking in summation form each term rho square epsilon square I minus 1 plus rho epsilon square I minus 2, and after that combination of 2 acceptation of these term 2 rho acceptation of epsilon I minus 1 plus 2 rho epsilon I epsilon I minus 2 plus 2 rho cube epsilon acceptation epsilon I minus 1 epsilon I plus 2. Here these are different. Different. So after applying assumption, applying the assumption from here, different terms is equal to 0 and same term will common variance. Applying that common variance, taking acceptation on both sides. Taking acceptation of both sides, firstly square of these terms and after combination of 2. Applying the assumption, we assume that E epsilon j is equal to common variance I is equal to j and equal to 0 for I not equal to j. Thus acceptation of ui square is equal to variance epsilon whole square and epsilon this one epsilon and this is square and rho this one. Taking common epsilon, this one will get 1 plus rho square, rho की power 4, this one EUI whole square epsilon. Here it is a geometric series of up to infinity. We apply the geometric series infinity to formula. First term summation of geometric series a upon 1 minus r. Here first term is 1 and rho, r is rho square. Summation of these is become rho epsilon variance epsilon upon 1 upon 1 minus rho square, where epsilon where variance epsilon is a constant and rho is also a constant term. Rho is also constant term and variance is also constant term. Multiplication of these is also a constant. Hence disturbance term have common variance, that is property of homoscedasty is also hold when autocorrelation is arising. Means no effect of different error term related. Third, correlation main cause, the correlation between disturbance term. This is property of autocorrelation. We shall find no of expression for rho. We know that ui epsilon I plus rho epsilon I minus 1 plus rho square epsilon I minus 2 plus rho cube epsilon I minus 3 and so on. Taking again next next error term ui plus 1, here epsilon I plus 1, rho epsilon I just previously rho epsilon I minus 1 and rho cube epsilon I plus 2 and so on. Multiplying ui this expression and this expression, you will get ui plus 1 equal to epsilon I plus rho epsilon I minus 1 plus rho square epsilon I minus 2 plus rho cube epsilon I minus 3 plus so on. Epsilon multiplying first term from whole expression and after that epsilon I plus 1 plus rho in bracket epsilon plus epsilon rho epsilon I plus 1 and rho square I minus 2. First term is multiplied this one and multiplication of these two expression will get we have get ui plus 1 epsilon I plus rho epsilon I minus 1 plus rho epsilon I minus 2 and so on epsilon I plus 1. Next term rho multiplied by rho and this is epsilon I plus rho epsilon I minus 1 plus rho square epsilon I minus 2 and so on. And so on. U plus 1 epsilon I plus 1 rho epsilon I plus 1 epsilon I minus 2 plus rho square epsilon I minus 2 epsilon I plus 1. Next rho epsilon whole square epsilon I plus 1 rho की power 4 epsilon square I plus 2 and so on. And rho epsilon I whole square plus rho whole square epsilon square I minus 1 plus rho की power 4 epsilon square I minus 2 and so on. Dash plus combination of these two epsilon 2 rho epsilon I minus 1 rho epsilon I minus 2 and so on. Taking acceptation of both sides, ui plus 1 is equal to acceptation of epsilon I plus 1. Similarly, the next term rho acceptation of ui minus 1 epsilon I plus 1 and so on. Epsilon I second term and so on plus acceptation of epsilon square plus rho square e epsilon square minus 1. Next term rho की power 4 epsilon whole square I minus 2 plus dash 2 epsilon acceptation of epsilon I minus 1 plus rho epsilon acceptation of ei I minus 2 but by the assumption acceptation of different I and I of same variance, and if I not equal to 0 is equal to 0. U plus 1 rho common variance of epsilon rho square common variance of epsilon plus rho की power 4 epsilon common variance and so on up to infinity. Again applying the geometrical summation for infinity terms, we have taken common rho common variance 1 rho and rho. Applying this, first term is this one rho, this one first term is 1 minus rho square, but e exception u square is equal to common variance 1 upon 1 rho square from property second. Putting these value, we will get variance of error term is equal to variance of epsilon 1 minus rho square. Putting these value, we will get ui plus 1 is equal to rho common variance of error term. In second property, acceptation of ui whole square is equal to common variance of epsilon 1 upon 1 minus rho square. Putting these values, we will get the epsilon whole square 1 upon 1 rho square. Property third error term is epsilon rho square 1 minus rho square. Putting these values, we will get acceptation of u plus rho common variance of error term. Now we can say e acceptation of ui use I plus 1 is equal to rho common variance of error term, or rho is equal to acceptation of ui use a divided by variance of error term. This row here row is autocorrelation of first order. You can write expression of ui u plus covariance of ui u I plus 1 and it is variance of error term, where rho is correlation coefficient of ui and ui plus 1. It is known as first order autocorrelation coefficient. First order autocorrelation coefficient, since the difference between ui plus 1 is degree 1, we can calculate the autocorrelation coefficient higher order 0 by the same method as given above. Rho of second autocorrelation of second order, covariance of ui plus 1, variance of ui. Autocorrelation of second order, covariance of ui plus 2, variance of ui. Third order, covariance of ui plus 3, variance of ui. In general, the autocorrelation of coefficient order s, where s is number of order, will be rho as covariance of ui plus 1 divided by variance ui. For testing autocorrelation is present or not, calculation of autocorrelation coefficient. Darwin-Watson test is applied for testing autocorrelation is arise or not. The test of general kind of concerning autocorrelation was developed by J. Darwin and J. Watson in 1951. The test uses what is usually referred to as the Darwin-Watson D statistics and the basis on the sum squared differences in successive values of estimated disturbance term D is equal to sigma starting from I is equal to 2 up to n estimated ui minus minus 1 whole square divided by sigma I started from 1 up to n estimated ui whole square. First, if we have positive autocorrelation, the difference of disturbance term is numerator will be relatively small. Hence, the small values of D, we can accept positive autocorrelation between disturbance term. If difference is numerator are large in the value of D is large, we can accept negative autocorrelation. On the next class, we'll explain Darwin-Watson test in thoroughly and full scope. Thank you.